Hi everyone, in front of me I've got a OnePlus Pad 3 and let me share with you how to enable the developer options on this device. So let's start with opening the settings, and here in this left section scroll down to the very bottom to find About Device. Then we have to scroll and find a special number which is called build number or software version. So let's enter the version, and we do not have the build number, but we have version number. So actually the combination of both options. So let's keep tapping on it until you'll see that you're in the developer mode. And now we have to go to the system and update right here. Now let's tap on developer options, and here we've got plenty of advanced settings which we can customize. So for example, you can disable USB audio routing, you can show view updates, change window animation scale, you can show surface updates, or show visual feedback for tabs. Here we've got some options which are connected with the networking. So to turn on the feature, simply tap on the switcher on it and it will be immediately activated and applied. Of course, you can turn it off the same way. If you've got the options without the switcher, simply tap on them to open more options to choose from. If you're done with customization of developer options, you can always turn them off. Just go to the very top of the list and tap on the switcher right here. Your device needs to be restarted after that to confirm all of the changes. So just tap on restart and that's all. And the developer options will disappear from the system and update settings. But of course, no worries, you can customize them again. Just go back to the build number step, or actually version number step, and keep tapping. Alright, so that'll be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.